If you think global real estate is only for millionaires, think again. At Skube Wealth Grid, we've identified the top 5 global cities where you can still invest in high-quality real estate for under $500,000, and each city offers a unique mix of affordability, rental income potential, and future upside. First on our list is Lisbon, Portugal. With stable governance, a booming tourism sector, and the Golden Visa residency program still available via certain fund routes, Lisbon offers excellent mid to long-term appreciation and strong rental yields from digital nomads and short-term tenants. Second is Tbilisi, Georgia, one of the most investor-friendly markets globally. There's zero property tax for individuals, high rental ROI, sometimes exceeding 10%, and simple purchase procedures even for foreigners. You can get a fully furnished central apartment for under $120,000. Third, Istanbul, Turkey, remains deeply undervalued due to currency depreciation. A $250K investment also makes you eligible for citizenship, and the city's young population keeps rental demand high. Fourth, Mexico City is gaining traction among North American investors for its high rental yields, low property prices, and rich cultural energy. With $300K, you can own a prime apartment in neighborhoods like Condesa or Roma, where both Airbnb and long-term rentals perform well. Finally, Dubai, UAE. Yes, even in a city known for luxury, you can still enter the market under $500,000. Areas like Jumeirah Village Circle or Business Bay offer brand new, well-managed units, no property tax, and access to a globally trusted legal framework. Each of these markets offers unique entry points for the globally minded investor looking to build a smart, diversified portfolio without overspending. Subscribe to Skube Wealth Grid for more deep dives like this, because global real estate is no longer optional, it's strategic.